Hi, good evening. This is Miss Pravina. Today I am going to take class for grade 5. So in last class we learned about 2D shapes and 3D shapes. So from that we will continue today classes with rotations. So 2D shapes, rotations, how the rotations, how to give a rotations for 2D shapes and letters and numbers. Let me see one by one. Okay, this is our class I am giving. So, what is rotation? Rotation is a single complete cycle around a center or an axis. So, once again, I am reading the rotation is nothing but a single complete cycle around a center or an axis is called rotations. Let me see that rotations. Here I am drawing two shapes, circle and square. In that circle, we can take one vertical line and one horizontal line with one center point. So that center point is called center of rotations. So in this center of keep the center of rotation as it is, and when we going to rotate this whole circle, the shape is not changing, the line is not changing, but the place of the numbers is changing. Can you see? Yes. So one more demo I'm giving to you. So I'm drawing a circle shape here. So here it is your circle now. So the center of the point is here. The shape is also there. Let me see that how the numbers are changing. So first I'm going to give the first rotation. So let me rotate it only once. So this is your first rotations. So we have four particles. So we have possibilities to turn four times. So this is our first turn. So the number 1 will come here, 1 2 and then 3 4 like this. So look at this, same image is looking like. Yes, this is your first turn, so we can take that as 1 by 4th turn. So we have 4 particles. So this is our first rotations. And let me see that second rotations. So now we are in this position. So when we rotate again, it will change. This 1 come here, this 2. So for our clarifications, I am giving this now 1 2 3 and all. So again I am rotating these circles, this center point and the lines, and this circle shapes is never changed, the only place alone is changing. So this center point is called the center of rotations. So what we observe from this, when the shapes is rotating, the image is also is rotating, but it will not change, the shapes is never changed, the only the object is only is changing. So this is our second turn. So out of 4 we are doing 2 turning. So 2 by 4 it convert into 1 by 2 turn, that is your half turn. We can say that is as your half. We can say that as half tan. And look at the same second one. I'm taking this square here, so I'm giving the name A B C D. From this again I'm going to give, here we have 4 sides, so here also we can give 4 turns. So keep as a center, same way we can turn first one only one turn, so we can give like this. So this AB is turnover comes here and BCD like that. This is your first turn, so we can say as 1 by 4th turn. And this is one more. Now we can focus this one. From this you can give one more turn, so that A should come here. So that is your second turn, that is your half turn. We can say this is also half turn. And after this that is your 3 by 4, that is your third turn, so we can say that is a 3 by 4th turn, and last one it's the full complete rotations. So here I am again one more example I am giving. Look at here. Here I am have a shape of square. So I am going to rotate now. So the first steps. So this is your first turn. So now this is your image. Now I am going to turn over the first only one turn. So this is our first turn. Look at here. Is it same? Yes, A, B, C, D. So this is your 1 by 4th turn. And next again you can now we are going to turn over one more steps. So this is your second movement, second turn. So look at the second one, A, B, C, D. So this is also the shape is not changing. The only the place points of the place is changing. So this is called half turn. Okay. So now we see the rotations for shapes, and next you know to rotation of letters also. So look at here. I am taking letter A. So what is the 1 by 4th turn of A? So we have 4 times. It's basically all shapes, all letters are have 4 turns. So because one complete revolutions have 4 sides that. Yes. Let me see that the letters also have a rotation and rotational symmetrics. So here I am giving 2 letters A. So basically all the letters or numbers are have 4 turns. So here the first turn is the first turn of A is, so this is our A. The first turn it should be like this. This is your first turn, so it is 1 by 4th turns. So in your someone is asking to that to draw what is the 1/4 turn of A. This is your 1/4 turn of A. So what is your 1 by 2, that is half turn of A. So you can't go directly, so you can go through that the basics you can go through that. If it is familiar you can do yourself. So this is our half turn. So this is the second turn, so we can take us 2 by 4, it's 1 by 2 turn. If it is have a third turn, it will become the second turn, so that will become like this. So this is your 3 by 4th turn, and the last one is full turn, that is 4 by 4, it is one full turn. So again you can get this same image. This is called rotation symmetry. So let me see for B also. So this is your letter now. So this is your 1/4 turn of B. And what is your half turn? It's nothing but this B should come like this. So your B like this. This is your half turn. So this is how you have to find all the letters and numbers also. So today we are going to see that. Okay dear students, noted these homeworks, exercise 1.1b. So read out the questions carefully and answer the questions. The first one is, among the following shapes, find out which one would look the same after 1/4 turn. That is your only one turn. So you have to turn over each image and you can give your answers. Same after 1/4 also, if it is looking same, you can give your answer with tick mark. Second one, among the following letters, find out which one would look same after half turn. So as already I told, if it is when you get the same image, so A, B, B, and that it is 4th turn only we can get the same image. So likewise you can give your answers. Find the numbers which will look same on a half turn. So half turn means you can rotate 2 times. And how the fourth one also, how the following numbers are changed after half turn. And this is also, so 8, how the half turn it is 2 times. After 8, how will it is changed. So this is how you have to find your. Okay, dear, let me see in the next class. Let's go through that videos and watch the videos carefully. If you have doubts, please note it and ask in the class times and do the homeworks well and complete it and come back to the class. Bye bye. Meet on tomorrow. Thank you.